Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Shoe Game. Today we got an unboxing. I just got back from Shoe Palace. I just got some shoes. Now these shoes are going to be very controversial, kind of controversial. Not really controversial, but I'll show you. First of all, we got some socks. Had to re-up on some socks. All right. So today we got a retro. I almost bought some mids. They call me the mid king, but shout out Jerry. But I got some retros today. They are retros. Anyway, so I ended up getting the Jordan 1 Retro Brotherhoods, retail for $180. They came out in February, I believe February 24th. And resale, I believe a size 12 is going for, last time I looked, it was going for $212. But I think a lot of sizes are actually going for under retail right now. So might want to check that out. Cop them before they go back up. But we'll get your show. So they come with two alternate laces, white and gold. I don't know which ones I'm going to keep, but it smells fantastic. So this shoe, and the reason why I said it's controversial is because this shoe's kind of been sitting on shelves. People aren't crazy about it because of the colorway. It's obviously it's like a gold and purple-ish looking color. So a lot of people are not getting them, and I'm asking them why. Like, they're like, oh, it's not they don't like the color. They don't have anything they can wear with it. I wear primarily all black, so I don't really care. And I didn't like these at first, honestly. When we first got them in, I was like, no, I'm not gonna get them. And I actually didn't get them on the first shipment at all. And then I just kept looking at them, and every day I was going to the store just seeing them. They were kind of growing on me, so I ended up getting them today. But I ended up getting them today, obviously. But just to show you guys, they got my favorite, that tumble leather here. And it's also got you can see that. It's like the rippled leather on the back as well. This is leather. It's not suede. It kind of looks suede because it's like a matte, but it's not suede. It's leather. All of it's leather right here. And on the inside is just your standard Nike Air. But yeah, I ended up getting these. My boy Jerry, shout out to Jerry. He's gonna kill me because he told me he was gonna. He refused for me to get these shoes, but I got them, Jay. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm actually gonna lace these bad boys up right after the video. I think I'm gonna go purple on the left and then probably gold on the right. I don't think I'm gonna go white. I kind of steer away from white laces if I can, just because they get dirty so fast. Cause you know they're white, so I kind of steer away from white if I can. If they come in white, it's whatever. But I'm gonna go purple here, gold here, and then I might throw up a picture of what they look like laced up after the video. But let me know what you guys think. Again, a lot of the sizes are under retail, so if you're on the fence about getting them, why not? Because they're gonna be under retail. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys next time on Shoe Game.